Hi guys, my name is Tiago Duarte and welcome to another video tutorial here at DailyBeats. In today's video, I'm going to continue the Techno from start to finish series, and this is episode 5. And in this video, I'm going to master the track. So in the last video, I did the mixing, and the mixing is pretty much done. And what I'm going to do basically is just master the track so that it sounds louder enough to be a ready-made track. And before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe and activate the notification so that you know when I upload new videos. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below, and also consider supporting this channel by buying one of the products at dailybeats.pt or become a premium member, and you will have access to the full videos without any cuts. And you will be able to download project files and sample packs. We have a very extensive list of sample packs that you can download, and you will be able to also download the sample packs from this project. You will have access to the Q&A sessions where I get all of your questions and answer with a video so that I can help you speed up your learning process. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump to FL Studio. So this is the track. This is what we have so far. As you can see, I have all the stems here, and this is basically the project that we had. If I play, you can see this pretty much everything that we had here. So, as you can see, kind of a big difference. So now what I usually do, instead of having another that limiter, I like to have here some splitEnhancer to add a little bit of saturation to the high frequencies. So let's see how much we can go here. This is obviously too much. Let's go around 15, and we can even go here maybe 3 dB. Just gives a little bit of saturation, very soft saturation. We can go hard. Like that, or we can go soft. Okay, I like that. And usually I like to bring at the end another ozone 8 elements. Let's actually remove this one. We don't need it anymore. And as you can see, it's way more balanced, the track. And what we can do is follow the Master Assistant once again. Let's put this in CD, medium, and next. And let's see what we have from the Master Assistant. And now my PC is cracking a little bit because it has too much processing. So let's see if I can. I don't think I can, because it will destroy my recording. So let's go here, tools, and let's go to macros, and let's do smart disable for all plugins. So the plugins that are not being used, they will be disabled. And this way, instead of 70, we can go to, or 75, we can go to 70. So that's fine, even though I still hear a little bit of cracking, but let's see. Okay, so again, it removed a little bit of the bass and increased here the gain minus 10 dB. The threshold is minus 10 dB. We can put this at -1. But now if you look here at the chart, we see that we still have a lot of bass, and the other frequencies are way more balanced, a little bit more balanced. So that's usually what I look for in a track, is to have a balanced mix, and then I would go ahead and look for some reference tracks so that I can reference my work and see if the track is sounding as I want to. Okay, so we listened to pretty much everything until up to the drop. Now it's the outro. So what I'm going to do is right ahead and load here a visualizer. The good thing about FL Studio now with the new version is that it doesn't crack. If I go ahead and start going through some presets, it doesn't crack anymore, which is quite nice. Okay, let's keep it normal. Let's make it shorter. Okay, we can even increase this. Let's put it here maybe. Again, the rotation. Let's go with the rotation. Where is rotation? Because I don't like the angle. This is giving me a weird angle. I don't know why. Okay, this looks better. I think so. Now let's go 51 until it hits. Yeah, okay, that looks nice. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's good enough. This is just at the end of the track, and let's keep it like that. And what I'm going to do basically is export this track and then put it on YouTube, and this will be the video clip, just to have a different thing, so that instead of just having a static picture, I can have this one. So that's it, guys. So final thoughts on this track. I really like it. I don't think it's my best work. I have a couple of new tracks that I've been working on, and those ones I think are really cool. And again, like I told you in the past, it's all about progression, all about making more and more music. As time passes, you will become better, because you also get experience. You go through songs and you start listening to you start having different ideas of how to construct a track. And another thing that is really helping me is buying tutorials, buying courses, because those courses are giving me some foundations, especially for this style of track, because I've never done since maybe I started last year doing techno and EDM. So I didn't had a very strong foundation for electronic dance music, and now that I'm progressing and making more and more music in this style, I feel I have the word that I'm looking for. Yeah, I was doing all by myself, like opening up FL Studio and just going through the bases and trying to make tracks as I go. But I think that's fine, that's good, but it's probably not the best way to achieve professional results faster. So what I did was I bought some online courses about on how to make techno, and this is really helping me on improving my skills and helping me move forward in my professional career as a techno producer, or a music producer for that matter, because I can just go ahead and whenever I want to learn a new style, I just go ahead and buy some courses and start implementing the stuff that I see in the courses, so that I have a very strong foundation on how to make that genre of music. And then it's just a matter of practicing. If you are a beginner, then you have to go through all the process to reach a professional level. But if you are a professional producer in a specific style, if you've been producing for several years and you feel comfortable with your producer techniques and your techniques, music theory, composing, arranging, all that stuff that is required from a music producer in one specific genre, you can pretty much transport everything that you've learned in that specific genre, and you can really fast transport it to a different genre if you have the foundations for that genre. And a good way to get your foundations is through courses, through tutorials, through online forums, through everything. You have to learn the style that you want to be good at it, have the foundations, and then go ahead and start making tracks. And I guess my future tracks will start, at least that's my personal feeling. I think my future techno tracks will be way different than these ones that I have, even though I like pretty much everything, every track that I did, because it gave me the foundation to be where I'm at. But I think I will start implementing different techniques which will enrich my production style. And yeah, that's it. What else can I do here? I was thinking about ideas to share here, but that's basically it, you know. I'm really looking forward to the future, to having more, to producing more of this genre, and because I really like it, and I think my future tracks will be really good. So that's it, guys. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed this series. If you are new here to this channel, consider subscribe and activate notifications so that you know when I upload new videos. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Also consider supporting this channel by buying one of the products at DailyBeats.pt. That helps a lot the channel to grow. And consider supporting by becoming a premium member, and you'll have access to the full videos without any cuts. So this video is pretty much 1 hour, and for YouTube I put it for 15 minutes, so I cut a lot of information so that it is easier for you to digest and see the progress, but I leave out a lot of information that you can have access. And you will also be able to download project files and sample packs. We have an extensive list of sample packs that you can access and increase your library of sounds. That's a really good thing. And for instance, the sample pack for this track will also be available today. So at the time of the release of this video, and you will be able to download it. And you will also have access to the exclusive Q&A sessions where I get all of your questions and then I answer in videos so that I can help you speed up your learning, and I can answer your questions through videos so that you can accelerate your learning process. So that's it, guys. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.